Okay, guys, I wanted to do a few unboxing type things. This is not any way related to stitching, but one of them sort of is, but not really. You'll see that one in a minute. Anyway, a while back, I went on Amazon and ordered some shoes, quite a few pairs of shoes, just to sort of try things on. Um, And I won't show you all of them, but I did want to show you this that arrived today. Um, these just really caught my eye. I couldn't believe that I was spending the amount that I spent on them. They were over $100. I've never really spent that much on shoes. I've never ever spent that much on shoes. But I decided to go for it. So they came in today, and it's a really nice box that they're in. Tissue paper around them. Never had a bag. Shoes come in individual bags before, so that was a little new. And this is the shoe. So, I did try them on and walked around in them for a little bit. They have a Velcro closure right here. I'm not 100% sure they're going to work. I think that I need it maybe a half size larger. But I'm going to, just sort of test them out today. We have our clinic Christmas party tonight. And so, I'll kind of wear them periodically throughout the day and see how they feel. But aren't they just beautiful? So this is the black. They look sort of more dark brown to me in some places. Like back here, they look more black. But up here, it looks more brown to me. But they have different colors. They had one that was like this part of it was green, and then they had like another print that was on it. No, that was another pair. There's a pair that's just green. The whole shoe is green. This particular model style, they are all one color. Now this company has some other styles that do have different patterns on them, but they had a pair of green ones, and I was really tempted with the green because it just was beautiful, but I decided to just go with neutral black. So, I like, I don't know, this style just sort of says vintage to me, the Mary Jane style shoe. And so that's sort of what I was looking for, and that's all the pairs that I ordered are Mary Jane's. So with just a slight heel. So I got that in today. And we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. And then this item is sort of stitching related in that it's for a stitching book club that's about to start. This time we're reading Jane Eyre, and I haven't read an actual holding your hands novel in I don't even know how long ago. And I thought about listening to this on audio, but I had seen these a while back. These are classics that are illustrated by Marjolaine Baston, and I love her art. And so I remembered that she had this book available in this, I think it's like 3 that she's done. I think it's Jane Eyre, Pride and Prejudice, and maybe Sense and Sensibility. I can't remember exactly what the third is, but I went ahead and ordered this copy to read for Stitching Book Club. So it's a really nice hardbound. It has a texture to to it. It feels really great in your hands. This is smooth and this is textured. And so throughout the book, there are her illustrations. And look how beautiful. I'm not going to show a whole lot of this because, you know, it is her artwork. But so most of the pages just have like a little small drawing on them. So it's a lot of text. I don't know if I've ever read this. I don't think I have. So it's a lot of text. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see if I can keep up with the schedule. But this particular edition has these extra things in them. It's 10 elaborately designed extras, an illustrated family tree, an enigmatic letter, and much more. So this is just so cool to me. Just so, I mean, just over the top special. So I did want to show you a few of the things. So this is stuck in one of the pages. It's a letter. I like this. Neither birth nor sex forms a limit to genius. But I put this one in a specific place, this next one, because I wanted to show you the illustration on this page. Look at that. Is that not just beautiful? So I'm very happy to have this in my book collection, and I do plan on ordering the other ones because I want all three of them. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Yeah, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.